Doesn't want to balance. Hey, it's perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Okay, this is a terrible idea. Okay.
And now a word from our sponsor.
Flex tape. I don't think we could honestly do this entire video in French. I'll cut out all of the parts where we're speaking English, or just like mute it. They will never know.
I was gonna say, just so it looks like we're speaking French.
Yeah. Don't worry, as long as you coat your hands in the flour, I'm pretty sure that this is what actual bakers do. Like, this might have been a bit much, but whatever. Like, just coat your hands in the flour. It'll make it so that it doesn't stick as much to you, I think. I think this is, I don't actually know. I don't remember off the top of my head. Oh, it feels slimy. Oh no. It's not coming off. Help me, it's trapping me. Oh no. We're all caught in the slime.
I got it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no. Oh no. This is not good.
We should have used more flour.
I don't think it wants to come off.
I don't either. We might need more flour. Oh no.
It's not good.
Quickly get the things. Pry it off of me. It's stuck.
It's also stuck to me.
Oh no. It's clinging to us. This isn't working. We need. Oh,
It's slightly working.
It's getting worse.
Don't worry. If
I
we
feel-
just believe,
I feel like
it'll
it's getting
come off.
worse. Just Oh no! It's stuck to the side slightly. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna need this bread.
Jack, why did you say baguette?
I don't. It's funny. It's the French thing. You know, that's like the one thing that people think about when they hear French. Not France, but just French. Like if somebody speaks French, then if they hear it, they will think baguette.
The baguette language. Yes.
Yeah. At least that's on my mind usually during French class. I don't know. Like sometimes, whenever my mind just wanders, it usually once or twice wanders. Usually once or twice.
Take the words off me.
Right, at some point that has to become a couple of baguettes.
Yeah, it might.
Yeah. I would do 2 long ones in there.
Oh, hey, it's not as thick.
I was gonna say
More flour. More
it's
flour.
still sticking. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I need more. I need more.
Got
Flour.
sicko mode. Gotta put it on the back of my hands just in case.
I think we're good.
Nope, it's still sticky.
It's gonna stick. We could wash it off after. It's at least sticking less.
True.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this, so I'm just gonna rub the bread.
Now we know what bakers have to go through.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Just.
No. You gotta keep this PG. Don't want to get demonetized already.
The most realistic one out of bread. No, honestly, if we roll it in the flour, it'll get better.
That would probably be
Oh
the
my
best
gosh.
idea.
It actually is.
We're doing this for you guys.
Oh my goodness. It's not as sticky. Here,
It's so
you
real.
take some.
You take some.
Just
Oh, wow.
put the piece that came out of it like into the flour as well.
Ooh, that's nice.
Just like fold it into itself a lot. This is I
better.
understand why some people like slime now. Not entirely,
This is kinda satisfying.
but yeah, it is honestly. Yeah.
Just keep doing thumbs up to the camera. every
Yes,
once in a
I
while.
occasionally do that even when like I'm not being recorded.
This has like consistency of gum now.
Yeah, it's bread. It's
Like it's no longer glue.
Yeah. This is honestly going really well. I'm surprised.
I'm surprised too.
I didn't expect this.
Incroyable.
No. I don't know what that means. I don't want to know what that means. I barely understand the French class that we're taking.
I don't even know what bonjour means.
Bonjour things living on a prayer.
This is honestly very satisfying. Kind of amazed. I don't think it's even, the camera's even that high. So I think that it can just see like the thing drooping. Fondle, the bread, the uncooked, the raw bread. Fondle. Yes, you like that, huh? Yes, high schoolers are way too
We're cultured, okay?
We're cultured. That's a good word, yeah. More flour. We need more flour.
That's a lot of
Roll it
flour.
around. I don't care.
We bought this whole thing of flour and we're gonna run out of it making one baguette.
It's 4 baguettes, but yeah. Like 4 small baguettes is what we're making.
I just now started one-handing it now. On my level.
One-handing. That's a good way of putting it, yeah.
Instead of using 10 fingers, I'm using 5.
Use 1. You won't.
Oh, bet.
Yeah.
Alright, now back to 10.
Yeah.
10 T10.
Fondling bread with Marcus.
By the way, go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
If you want, I could honestly just put in the description. I don't
Please
care.
do.
Yeah, you just have to
Don't make
send
it.
me the link or whatever. Send me the Zelda. That'll trigger some gamers. Isn't it crazy how Luigi saves the Princess Link so often?
That's not how I remember.
When Zelda saves Luigi, the princess. Just saying worse and worse things. I've never played Undertale and I want to. Because my main in Smash is Sans. And it's important to know more about him.
Well, for starters, he's a skeleton.
Oh my gosh. Sometimes his eye goes blue, I think.
I was already blue.
No, only when he's triggered. Just more flour. More. I need more. This cannot sustain me. More flour. Arg. Weird talking.
So you turn into a pirate.
Yar! Me flour! This Krabby Patty secret formula. No!
Turn into
SpongeBob me boy!
Sponge boy meatball.
Remember, the flour will still be in there. It's the secret surprise inside.
Stick a mouthful in
Avengers Infinity War be like. Man, comedy has. It's turned into Blink be like. That's like all comedy.